Have you ever felt nervous when ordering food in English? Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn the 100 most useful English words for restaurants. From ordering your favorite meal to asking for the bill, you'll get all the vocabulary you need to feel confident. Stay with me until the end, because by then you'll be ready to order like a native speaker. Menu. Could I see the menu, please? Table. We reserved a table near the window. Chair. This chair is very comfortable. Waiter. The waiter brought us some water. Waitress. The waitress smiled while taking our order. Order. I would like to place an order now. Reservation. Do you have a reservation for tonight? Customer. The customer asked for extra sauce. Bill. Could we get the bill, please? Tip. They left a generous tip after dinner. Dish. This is the most popular dish in the restaurant. Plate. The plate is full of pasta. Glass. Can I have a clean glass for my drink? Bottle. We ordered a bottle of sparkling water. Fork. She dropped her fork on the floor. Knife. Please be careful with the sharp knife. Spoon. He used a spoon to eat the soup. Napkin. May I have an extra napkin? Salt. Could you pass me the salt? Pepper. The pepper makes the food spicy. Bread. The bread is served warm with butter. Butter. He spread butter on the bread. Soup. The soup of the day is tomato. Salad. I'd like to start with a fresh salad. Steak. The steak was cooked perfectly. Chicken. She ordered grilled chicken with rice. Fish. The fish was served with lemon. Dessert. We shared a chocolate dessert. Coffee. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Tea. She ordered green tea with honey. Juice. Could I have orange juice for breakfast? Wine. They ordered a bottle of red wine. Beer. He drank a cold beer with his meal. Water. Can we have a jug of water? Appetizer. The appetizer was very delicious. Main course. What would you like for your main course? Dessert menu. May I see the dessert menu? Special. The chef's special is pasta with seafood. Chef. The chef prepared a fantastic meal. Kitchen. The kitchen is very busy tonight. Receipt. Could you give me the receipt, please? Cash. He paid the bill in cash. Credit card. Do you accept credit cards? Tablecloth. The tablecloth was white and clean. Sauce. This sauce tastes amazing with chicken. Spice. The dish is full of spice. Flavor. The flavor of this soup is incredible. Taste. This pasta tastes really good. Portion. The portion is too large for one person. Service. The service here is excellent. Host. The host welcomed us warmly. Hostess. The hostess showed us to our seats. Manager. The manager came to check on us. Buffet. The hotel offers a breakfast buffet. Breakfast. We had breakfast at the restaurant. Lunch. Let's go out for lunch tomorrow. Dinner. They enjoyed a romantic dinner together. Drink. What kind of drink would you like? Cocktail. She ordered a fruity cocktail. Wait time. The wait time was longer than expected. Queue. There was a long queue at the entrance. Entrance. The entrance to the restaurant is decorated. Exit. The exit is near the kitchen door. Restroom. Where is the restroom, please? Clean. The restroom is very clean. Busy. The restaurant is busy on weekends. Quiet. The cafe was quiet in the morning. Noise. The noise level is too high here. Candle. A candle was placed on the table. Music. Soft music was playing in the background. Light. The light in the dining room is warm. Window. We sat at a table by the window. View. The view from this restaurant is beautiful. Atmosphere. The atmosphere here is very cozy. Fresh. The salad is made with fresh vegetables. Hot. The soup is very hot, be careful. Cold. The ice cream is cold and sweet. Sweet. This dessert is too sweet for me. Sour. The lemonade tastes sour. Bitter. The coffee is a little bitter. Delicious. The meal was absolutely delicious. Hungry. I am very hungry, let's order quickly. Thirsty. She felt thirsty after the spicy food. Full. I am full after that big meal. Empty. The restaurant was empty at noon. Open. The cafe is open until midnight. Closed. The restaurant is closed on Mondays. Fast. The service was fast and friendly. Slow. The delivery was a bit slow. Comfortable. The chairs are very comfortable. Expensive. The meal was delicious but expensive. Cheap. We found a cheap but good restaurant. Popular. This cafe is popular among students. Famous. The restaurant is famous for its pizza. Local. We tried some local dishes. International. They serve international cuisine. Vegan. The restaurant offers vegan options. Vegetarian. She ordered a vegetarian meal. Allergy. Do you have any allergy-friendly dishes? Gluten-free. Do you serve gluten-free bread? Great job! Now you know the 100 most important English words for restaurants. Next time you go out to eat, you'll feel more confident and ready to order like a native. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.